previous section we have discussed about the second shifting property. Now we have to think about the one more concept, that is Heaviside unit step function. It is also called as unit step function. So let us discuss about that. The definition of unit step function is defined as f of t, which is function of t minus a, is equal to 1 if t is greater than a, and which is equal to 0 when t is less than a. So these are the two conditions, and depending on these conditions, this f of t minus a is nothing but it's 1 or 0. Other values it cannot be taken. Okay, and this is directly taken in a unit step. Unit step means either 0 or 1. Okay, one we know that 1 is nothing but we call it as a unit. That's why it is called as a unit step function. So now let us see how to find the Laplace transform of a unit step function. That is Heaviside unit step function. So here one of the example that may be asked in examination, that the find the Laplace transform of f of t minus a, where this f of t minus a is a unit step function, that is Heaviside unit step function. Okay, so here by the definition we know that there is a definition of the unit step function, that by that we can write that here f of t minus a is equal to 1 if t is greater than a, and t is equal to 0 when t is less than a. Okay, so by the definition of Laplace transformation, the Laplace transform of this term is nothing but the integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus est into f of t, and here f of t is nothing but f of t minus a into dt. Okay, so here we have 0 to infinity, here we have two things, right? That's why we can, okay, that's why we can write, that is by the definition of this. Okay, 0 to infinity a, if we take 0 to a, 0 to a, we have e raised to minus est into f of t minus a into dt, plus from a to infinity. Okay, a to infinity e raised to minus est into f of t minus a into dt. Okay, now think over this definition of a unit step function which is less than a. Less than a means here we have 0 to a, means till a we have this, so f of t minus a is nothing but the 0. That's why we can write 0 to integral 0 to a e raised to minus est into 0 into dt. Okay, and when f which is from like greater than a, when t is greater than a, so a to infinity we have 1, right? That's why we have put here f of t minus a is nothing but the 1. Okay, this is 0, this terms gets vanished. This is a to infinity e raised to minus est into dt, and we find that it is in this. Okay, right? So directly we take the integration, e raised to x का integration होता है e raised to x, और e raised to f of x is nothing but e raised to f of x upon f dash of x. So by that this we can write the integration of this is e raised to minus est into minus s upper limit, upper limit, lower limit, t is vary from a to infinity. We know that the upper limit minus lower limit we put, so this is infinity, and e raised to infinity is nothing but the 0. Okay, minus e raised to minus s a upon yes. Okay, what we have to take is a is nothing but lower limit is a, that's why, and this one with the minus into minus we get plus, so e raised to minus s a upon s. This is the Laplace transform of a unit step function. Okay, next things we will discuss in the next section. Okay, thank you.